welcome back. Just doing a little update video. Just putting in the new low temp water thermostat housing. And I gotta say, the new one from the old one is quite different. This here is a 170 low temp thermostat. If you can see it. Yeah, you can. 170. And they're quite different. I mean, machining wise they're the same, but these bungs are completely different. This one's about a 1/16 overall smaller than this one. I wonder why that is. And the back sides. It might just be updated manufacturing, different way of processing and casting. Yeah, who knows. But these are very simple to get at. I mean, she sits right down in there. All it is 3 10mm bolts. I mean, once you feel for it, get it in there, it's pretty simple. This is in and out. I just want to do a little update video. Nothing too major just yet. And again, got my Purdy headers in there. I'm going to be putting on some custom-made heat shields with foil wrap and some gold wrap. So we're getting there, little by little. Oh yeah. And my new Spec D headlights. This was my old one. This is the new Spec D one. I killed the battery, so I have to charge it up a little bit before I do a comparison side-by-side video of this. But already this thing just sitting here sets it off. And yes, there is ice on the ground in my garage. That's a bitch. But that, Mother Nature in Wisconsin. Oh well, what can you do? Stay tuned.